So I am going to be putting my extensions back in. I'm going to be doing like black underneath with blonde on top. I already bleached my hair last night. We are not going to talk about the horrible bleach job. Okay, we're just not going to talk about it. I know it looks stupid. It came out really patchy and just stupid, whatever. I don't even care. I also straightened my hair so that I can like better see where the parts are and stuff, like the splits and whatnot. We are going to also ignore how dead my hair is and how thin it is. I know that, okay? We're just I know. So let's see how this goes. We gotta start off with the black, so we're gonna do that. I don't know if I should use these or not. I have used this thing before. It's like this little clip that I got off of, I think, Temu or something. And it works really good for like splitting, like making little sections for like the thing. For like the hair. And like the extension like to go onto. But unless I'm doing it wrong, I might be doing it upside down, but I keep doing it like this, or my hair like lays flat like this, and I don't know if that's like how you're supposed to do it, or if you're supposed to do it like this, because I don't know, because this would make more sense, right? I guess you could use it like that, right? My comb actually broke. So that's great. Okay, this one is definitely an old one from the old pack, I think. Not a new one, but we'll start with it, right? Fuck it. So I got the first one. I'm going to just continue the bottom row here. Stay tuned. Okay, I got the first row in. Can you see that? I know the spacing can be definitely better. Okay, I'm working on it. It's difficult. Okay, so I think the next row is going to be another row of black. So I did the second row. It's a little bit better. Can you see? Yeah, and I just discovered that I'm going to need more black extensions because I only have like 2 left, but that's okay. I still have some older ones from the old pack that I have to bring back to life a little bit, so good time to do that. And I gotta smoke because that was a pain in the ass. So yeah, well, let me get back to you on that. Okay, I am back. Smoked, had a snack, got some water, got more hair extensions. I just have to sit here and put the little loops on now. So the next row here. We have the 2 black rows. The next row should be like a 1 blonde and then like the rest black, I think, if I'm reading this right. So 1 blonde on the end and then the rest black, and then ending with a blonde on the end. Because it's supposed to be like face framing. So like, whoa. So like blonde and then like black underneath and like, you know what I mean? Like on the inside underneath kind of. Alright, my first blonde one! Now. Yay! The first blonde one! Now we go to black again. Go to black. See? Black. Just continuing on with black now. You control This is a throwback. 2012, right? I remember this song my senior year. Vibes. This was back in like Luke Bryan's prime, dude. I was lucky enough to actually see him back in his prime. It was a good time. Dancing on the sand and a flower. I have to do dumb voices when I sing, dude. It's at the Holiday Inn. Oh, my only thought was tequila makes her clothes fall off. I have no choice but to go on my knees. Oh my goodness. Last black one, and then we are switching to blonde. Alright, we are switching to blonde now! Oh no. Your time's over. Blonde now! So that row came out good. I like it. Okay. So the next row, I can't decide if I want to do just all blonde or should I do like blonde and black, like do blonde, black, blonde, black, blonde, black all the way and then just go on to blonde to add even more black. I'm thinking I'm going to do that. That might be a vibe. So I'm going to do like blondes on the ends. Of course, make sure I like start and end with blonde and then do like a pattern as like a nice like smoother transition. I think I'm gonna try that. I thought we were done with black, we're not. Adding even more. gotta make sure they're clamped in. Alright, now a blonde. I might have to smoke a little smoke.
At the bottom of the ocean.
Okay, black and then blonde on the end. Officially my last black one, and it wasn't even really technically supposed to be in there. It's just getting snuck in there. It's fine. Where was I gonna put this guy? Right here. I think. Maybe right there?
If I make back home.
It should be blonde from here on out now. Okay, so we are just working kind of like in the back, going up onto the sides almost. Just doing blonde. I'm just trying to follow like my natural like hairline here. It's kind of a pain in the ass. Because I'm just like, is that where it is? It must be.